that works with...
Dopey K. Dextra.
Yeah, that works with
James's mum.
Oh yeah.
Oh, what happened to James?
Right, yeah.
I've seen the pictures on the internet. Of course, James's mum now thinks they're in public domain for anyone to see.
Well, they are.
They are. You can search them on Google now.
Can you?
Can't you? They unlocked it. Oh, that's it.
It's leaking. It's leaking. Our faith in James was just stood here ready, waiting for something to happen.
And now the mighty hunter is to fix his home.
The fact that he's going to do DIY and all that.
James is well used to tight spaces, isn't he, though?
Oh,
Yeah.
Doing anything.
I've still got faith. I've got faith, Gav.
You can imagine people tuning in to watch him, really, couldn't you? So calm, isn't he?
Yeah.
You're holding steady.
Yeah.
That's the waste pipe, isn't it?
Yeah.
There's a lump of shit in that. Oh.
It's like rust or something.
The water's in the other pipe, so... Oh no, he's got them off.
Oh, rubbish.